Good day, everyone. I'm Wendelin Isaiah and Velasco from SBCPE 1A, and today I'll be discussing the design and application of ultrasonic sensors in intelligent systems. This presentation explores how ultrasonic sensors work, their core components, real world applications, and the ethical considerations we must keep in mind as we integrate them into modern technologies. Now, let's go to the introduction and background. Ultrasonic sensors are essential tools in intelligent systems. They use high frequency sound waves above 20 kHz to detect objects and measure distances without physical contact. These sensors are widely used in robotics, automotive safety, industrial automation, and even healthcare. Their ability to function in low visibility environments makes them superior to optical sensors in many cases. However, they're not perfect. Environmental factors like temperature, humidity, and surface texture can affect their accuracy. Moreover, as these sensors are increasingly used in surveillance, concerns around privacy and consent have emerged. Now, let's go to the core design and components of ultrasonic sensors. Now, let's break down the core components of ultrasonic sensors. We have transducer. It converts electrical energy into ultrasonic waves and vice versa. Now we have transmitter and receiver. It emits and detects ultrasonic pulses. Next, we have timing circuit. It measures the time between emission and echo reception. Now we have signal processor. It filters and amplifies signals for accurate distance calculation. Now we have microcontroller. It controls operations and handles calibration. Now we have the communication interface. It connects the sensor to external systems using UART, I2C, or SPI. Lastly, we have our power supply and housing. It ensures stable operation and protects against environmental damage. Now, together, these components enable real-time feedback, seamless integration into intelligent systems. Now, let's go to our fourth slides. We have the application and challenges. Now, ultrasonic sensors are used in robotics for obstacle detection and navigation. It also uses in automotive systems in parking assistance and collision avoidance. Now, it also used in smart devices for recognition and proximity sensing. Now, despite their versatility, challenges remain signal interference from other ultrasonic sources. It also has material limitations. It because difficulty in penetrating software absorbent surfaces. Now we have environmental sensitivity. It because it's being affected by the temperature and humidity. Lastly, we have our ethical concerns because especially in surveillance where privacy and consent are critical. Lastly, we have our reflection and ethical considerations. Now, one of the most complex aspects of this topic is the ethical dimension. While ultrasonic sensors enhance safety and accessibility, like helping the visually impaired or improving vehicle navigation, they also raise concerns about covert data collection and surveillance. We must ask, how do we ensure transparency and user consent? What frameworks guide responsible deployment? These questions don't have easy answers, but they're essential for building public trust and ensuring that technology serves humanity without infringing on individual rights. Now, in conclusion, ultrasonic sensors are powerful tools, but with great power comes great responsibility. As future engineers, it's our duty to balance innovation with ethical safeguards. Now, thank you everyone for listening. Again, I'm Wendelin Ese and Velasco from SBCPE 1A. Thank you.